Hodges, the CEO of Altinity. What is OSACon?
OSACon is a brand new conference for open source analytics. And our goal with the conference is to bring together the people that build the open source projects like ClickHouse, like Druid, like Superset, and many, many others. Bring those folks together with the people that are building applications on top of them. So with this conference, we're hoping that we'll create some synergy between all of these projects as well as their users across an entire community.
There's a lot of conferences out there. It seems like every other week I'm getting an invitation to yet another conference. So why do we need this one?
I would go back to why we put what was the stimulus for OSACon in the first place. In our work with ClickHouse, which is something that we support as a business, and as we're an enterprise provider, we see the most amazingly creative applications. So for example, applications that are able to monitor networks in real time, detect security intrusions, handled downloads on content delivery networks, value security, just all kinds of wonderfully creative things that people are doing, and they're doing with open source software.
I've had a chance to talk to some of the presenters, but I don't have the whole list yet. So could you tell us who's going to be presenting?
We have folks from eBay who'll be talking about how they are building an enormous observability cluster and actually operating it with ClickHouse. We have a number of talks submitted by folks from Druid. I'm really happy to say that's another great low latency open source analytic database. On Friday, I was just talking with Max Beauchemin, who is the head of Preset, but perhaps better known as the author of Apache Superset. So he's going to be talking on a topic related to BI. Finally, we have Peter Zaitsev, who's really well known in open source databases. He's going to be talking about how open source is enabling traditional row-oriented databases like MySQL to tie in with these powerful new analytics databases that we see.
So for the people that are going to be attending OSACon, what is it that you hope that they come away with?
I hope that they're going to basically get a snapshot of all the cool things that are going on in open source analytics. If you're building analytic applications, for example, what you're going to see is a wide sampling of both projects as well as ideas about how to do analytics. And we hope that this is something, one, that you can use to build applications, and two, will help create synergy across these projects as people start to come up with new ideas and think about new ways to do analytic processing even better.
You've been in the IT industry for a long time. So what is it that you are looking to get out of OSACon?
I'd like to learn something new. I've been working with databases since 1983, and the thing that is amazing is that there's always something new to learn. What I'm hoping to get from this conference is to kind of come out of my shell a little bit along with all the other people attending and learn new things from other projects and from the ideas of the people running those projects.
Well, OSACon coming up here on November 2nd of this year, so I'm looking forward to it.